Welcome back. So some of you guys are requesting to see the Kawasaki Ninja 250R motorcycle that we got. So here it is. And this one is the lime green with the Ebony, which is black. So it looks pretty cool. This is for beginners motorcycle. If you just get it started. So it doesn't really have that much power compared to the bigger CC. And this is a single or a two-person bike. As you can see above the kickstand, there's a 1 footrest, which has a black rubber part right there. And then there's another one right there that is folded by the tire, rear tire. So as you can see the odometer, it shows 10,000 miles. And as you can see the left and right gauge, it's still the original blue sticker. That's why you see the blue tint on it, or the film. Yeah, now this is where you put the key in there. So right now it's on neutral. Left signal. And then right signal. Just by toggling left or right here. And push down to reset it. And this is the horn. Got the electric start right here. This is your front brake. And your clutch. Your left and a rear mirror. Got a tinted out windscreen. And got the low and high beam dual headlight. Got the reflector right here. Nice disc brake. Got the Pirelli tires. This one is 110170 ZR17 M/C54W. And you got the rear brake right here. This one is spring loaded. Your brake fluid. And then the rear tire, this one is the Michelin. It's 130/70 R17. pretty soft cushion. It's a rubber piece right here. There's a storage right here, compartment. Let me show you guys. Here's the tire and low data right here. It's a little bit wet down here. Exhaust piping and a cooler. So in order to unlock the storage, you need to turn this. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta use two hands. After you unlocked it, you put it forward, and then this cover is gonna come off. Okay. This is where you lock it and unlock. It comes with a toolkit right here. Actually, you don't need to really pull forward. It's just two posts sitting on this rubber grommet. The front doesn't have rubber grommet, so actually it's missing one of the rubber grommets. There's one rubber right here. It's missing on this side. And then there are two rubber right here. So prevent from the vibration and or shaking. Yeah, gotta make sure you align it in there first. Push it down. Then hopefully gonna go in. I gotta push it down, and then now it's locked into its place. And here's the fuel tank. Okay, gonna use the key. Now it's locked position. Turn it this way to unlock it. Now you gotta open and fill up your tank. Ooh, smell like gas. Well, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.